And some news just coming in. Let's go straight to that. Congress party continues to implode after Jitin Prasada's exit. There are rumblings in Sachin Pilot camp in Rajasthan as well. Pilot camp MLA Ved Prakash Solanki has said promises made by party have not been completed or fulfilled, yet the Pilot camp is saying that the Congress party made certain promises to Pilot which have been ignored all this while.
14 अप्रैल को भी पायलट साहब ने पीसीसी में भी एक बात कही थी कि काफ़ी लंबा समय हो गया है, अब कोई कारण नहीं है कि नियुक्तियां जो कार्यकर्ताओं को दी जानी थी उनमें विलम्ब हो। ये पहले भी कहा था, मैंने भी 3-4 बार इस बात को कही है और दबी जबान में सभी विधायक करें, कोई से भी गुट क्यों हो, सभी विधायक चाहते हैं कि जल्दी जल्दी सत्ता का विकेंद्रीकरण हो, मंत्रिमंडल का विस्तार भी हो और जो राजनीतिक नियुक्तियां मिली है उसमें कार्यकर्ताओं को समावेश हो, ये सभी लोग चाहते हैं। कमेटी ने कभी भी अपनी तरफ से अधिक रूप से कभी भी हम लोगों को नहीं बुलाया, न सुना।
Devankur is getting us more details on that story, and this has been brewing for a while now. They were in a situation where Pilot had indicated that he's going to quit the Congress party. Somehow that situation was salvaged, but it doesn't look like that the leadership can, brush this under the carpet for a very long time, isn't it?
Well, the Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has claimed that he managed to save the party or the government in Rajasthan from the poachings of the BJP, but it is quite apparent that the internal rumblings of the Congress seem to be, as you mentioned, either brushed under the carpet, or the Congress High Command is perhaps looking the other way, not addressing the key issues which Sachin Pilot had raised. There was a 3-member committee which was formed last year, which included the likes of Ajay Maken, which had the it had to decide on the grounds that the Sachin Pilot camp had. The 19 MLAs had. 3 of the members of the Sachin Pilot camp had to leave their ministership. There were several name calling. You would remember all of that, what happened last year. But now it seems that the same kind of things, the rumblings within the Congress party is happening once again. It was the month of June last year, and once again in the month of June, there are statements that are being made from within the Pilot camp, clearly mentioning that they are unhappy by the party with the party high command at being ignored. Several of them want to have a larger say within the party, and that is not happening. With me right now is Pratap Singh Khachariawas. He's a cabinet minister, a senior leader of the Congress, and someone considered close to Mr. Gehlot. प्रताप जी, क्या हो रहा है? जतिन प्रसाद छोड़ चुके हैं पार्टी, आज उन्होंने अनाउंसमेंट कर दिया, और राजस्थान में भी लग रहा है कि कहीं ना कहीं जो अंदरूनी विद्रोह है वो तेज होता जा रहा है।
देखिए, मैंने देखा कि मिस्टर जतिन प्रसाद ने पार्टी छोड़ दी। जब भी बीजेपी का ग्राफ देश की पॉलिटिक्स में गिरता है उस वक्त बीजेपी इस तरह की हरकतें करती है, और मेरा ये मानना है कि इस वक्त बीजेपी का डाउनफॉल है। कोरोना संकट के समय में बीजेपी, केंद्र की बीजेपी की सरकार पूरे देश का विश्वास नहीं जीत पाई।
प्रताप जी, बड़ा सवाल ये है कि कांग्रेस क्यों अपने बड़े नेताओं को बचा नहीं पा रही है? क्यों जो नेता है वो अपने जो उनके ग्रीवांसेस हैं वो एड्रेस नहीं किए जा रहे?
देखिए, कांग्रेस ने इन सब बड़े नेताओं को बनाया है, और इस बात को समझना पड़ेगा कि जतिन प्रसाद जी हो, चाहे ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया जी हो, आप उनसे खुद से पूछ लीजिए कि इनको आज इस देश में जो सम्मान मिला है, या बीजेपी उनको लेकर जा रही है, इसीलिए लेकर जा रही है ना कि उनको कांग्रेस ने एक बड़ा सम्मान दिया, केंद्रीय मंत्री बनाया। हालांकि राजस्थान में तो जतिन प्रसाद जी की कोई बहुत बड़ी पहचान नहीं, लोग नहीं जानते ज्यादा, लेकिन जहां से वो यूपी से आते हैं, तो यूपी में इलेक्शन है, अब क्या सोच के बीजेपी,
क्या लगता है सर राजस्थान में सरकार बचा पाएगी गहलोत सरकार?
नहीं, सरकार को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। राजस्थान में तो आप जानते हो कहाँ दिक्कत है, ऐसा क्या लग रहा है आपको? राजस्थान में ऐसा कुछ देखा हो तो आप बताओ।
Well, clearly, Sneha, the Congress had lost momentum in several states, including the likes of Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh, but it seems to be trying to convey that all is well, there is no problem in Rajasthan, but only time can tell whether what is being considered as mere rumblings right now can lead to a major dissident within the party, because remember, Sachin Pilot is a leader with mass base and is someone who is...
Devankur getting us all of those details, joining us from Rajasthan. Thanks for the moment. And it is round 2 of Sachin Pilot versus Gehlot, like we've been talking about. Last year's crisis in Rajasthan that Congress really papered over by setting up a panel to address issues raised by Pilot against Chief Minister Gehlot have now resurfaced. Pilot has expressed his displeasure at the lack of action, saying that his grievances have not really been addressed even after 9 months. The former Deputy Chief Minister said promises that were made earlier have not been fulfilled. He's also said that Chief Minister Gehlot is targeting and sidelining MLAs who support him. The BJP is latched on to the Congress and fighting. MLA Rajendra Rathod has said at last Pilot has spoken his mind and the crisis may deepen very soon. Pilot hit back, saying that they are failing to play the role of a viable opposition and they should mind their own business.
सर आपने ये नहीं बताया सर, आपके बहुत नजदीकी माने जाते हैं, आपके बहुत क्लोज हैं, आपका क्या रोल है उनको यहाँ लाने में?
मैं सचिन पायलट जी और मेरा एक व्यक्तिगत संबंध है और वो व्यक्तिगत संबंध है कांग्रेस पार्टी के अंदर